Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. Today I am here with a new recipe, Chana kofta. So let's start. What's thing needed for that recipe? First we will take a soaked chana. I soaked it for 2 hours and then add 1 liter water, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda and cook it for 30 minutes. First part of our recipe is ready and now we are moving to our next part of recipe, masala for kofta. So now add minced meat, onion, ginger, garlic and a grind machine and mix it well. Also add some chilies according to your taste. And if you don't like chili, so don't add it. It depends on you. So the mixture is ready. Now add all spices, dry coriander, garam masala, chili flakes, kofta masala, some coriander. Cut it well and mix it. If you want to use spoon or use your hand, mix it properly. It would be yummy and delicious if you wanna make it. So I hope you will like it. Now I'm going to make kofta. So make it like that and you can see. So the kofta is ready. You know, beginning is very hard. When you are starting something, so you find difficulties. You face problems. You face different thinkings, different opinions of people. Some are positive, some are negative. So don't accept the negative points and be positive in every situation. So now fry all koftas like that on a low flame. So what am I talking about? Beginning, start is very hard. So the people will tell you about it. You can't do this. Why you have started this thing? It's hard. You are unable to do this thing. So the kofta is now fried. You can see the look is. So dish out it and then move to another step of our recipe. Cut onion and tomatoes for making masala. So I was talking about negative ideas, negative opinions of people. So ignore that such kind of advices. Now fry onion for 2-3 minutes and then add tomatoes and paste of garlic. Yeah, you can see like that. And then cover it for 10 minutes. So think about that, why you have started, which regions, which problems compelled you to change your life, to change your situation. So in a family, just one person gives sacrifices. Now masala is fried and blend it in a blender. Do it like that. Follow the same procedure, so might be you would find the same result. So it's ready, blended masala ready. Now add spices, all spices, garam masala, coriander, a little bit salt and mix it well. So I was talking about the sacrificed person. In a family, just one person gave sacrifices to break the chain of poorness. Now you can see the masala is completely ready. Add chana and cook it on low flame. One and only person who wants to break the chain of poorness, to bring happiness, to give happiness to their family, to their sister, to their brother, to their family. So the first step is difficult, and with the passage of time, you will face all this situation very easily, and you would be know how to handle that situation. And after some time, you will reach to your goals. Because when the challenges comes and you control these challenges without any fear, without any tension, without any hesitation. So might be you complete your goals and you find the way where you want to bring a positive change, where you want to bring a new life, where you want to give a new life to your family, where you want to change the situation of your family, where you want to receive your position. So start from today and continue it till to that time that you reach to your level, that you receive your goal, that you receive your position. And those people who have started, they must continue it. And those people who want to start, they must start it from today. So my recipe is near to ready. I hope you would like my recipe. And those people who are new on my channel, please give me a big thumb. Also subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button that you find the new notification about my recipe. And I hope you will like it. And if you like my video, please leave a positive comment, because your comment is very important, your support is very important, and please enhance my courage. I had started my journey, so I want to continue it. And the important thing, respect those people who want to change your situation, who want to give you happiness, who want to give you the beauty of life. Respect those people who had hide their feelings, their emotions, their wishes in front of your happiness. So give them love, give them respect. Now you can see it's ready. Now dish out Chana kofta, and people will like to eat it in breakfast, also enjoying it in a lunch, but the taste is so yummy. So enjoy your life with your family, with your parents, and enjoy every moment of your life. I would be here again with a new recipe. So stay safe and stay healthy and enjoy your life. Give me Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Bye bye.